Hello, welcome back, Diamond Crew. I'm with you with another job this afternoon, and it is an appointment setter for the Steadman Clinic. The Steadman Clinic is the name of the company. It starts at $20 to $24 per hour full time, and it has a 401k and 401k matching dental insurance, disability insurance, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, and vision insurance. Full-time job description. Join our amazing team at Steadman Clinic and be an integral part of a cutting-edge organization that is among the best in the world at what they do. This is an exciting entry-level opportunity in healthcare to ensure amazing career opportunities with world-class organizations in an amazing brand new facility. The appointment setter is responsible for coordinating appointment times for patients and physician templates. This position requires you to obtain all required information from the patient. Email or fax patient registration paperwork to the patient and input patient information into our system. This position requires an excellent communicator who is able to act in a courteous manner while communicating with individuals representing all professional levels. Eagle County, Colorado is one of our nation's iconic mountain destinations and highly desirable spot to live if you love the outdoors. This position is eligible for our excellent benefit packages and perks, including a wellness benefit you can use for your ski pass, and strong work-life harmony. Location is Avon, Colorado on-site position. Classification. This is a full-time, year-round, a non-exemption position with benefits. Compensation starting at $20 per hour. Start date, fall 2022. As a condition of employment, the Steadman Clinic requires proof of COVID-19 vaccination of all clinical and non-clinical staff. Coordinates clinic appointments, new patient rechecks and follow-ups, and referrals, and enters appointments and cancellations into scheduling systems on computer. Enter new patient information into system, email, fax, or mail patient paperwork and authorizations. Manage information requests and correspondence for workers' compensation adjusters and casework managers. Maintains knowledge of physician preferences and ability. Maintain physician and staff schedules and availability for appointments in scheduling system. Responsible for work as part of a centralized team handling 47 physician schedules. Communicates with teams in regards to meeting physician requirements for scheduling. Demonstrates knowledge and understanding of patient privacy rights. Maintains confidentiality of all medical, financial, and or sensitive materials and information in printed, electronic, or verbal form which may jeopardize the privacy of patients. Performs our duties as assigned by a supervisor. This includes covering for other departments. Requirements is you have to have a high school diploma or GED required. 2 years experience preferred working in customer service, scheduling, healthcare. Personal characteristics, which includes flexibility, enthusiasm, effective interpersonal and communication skills. Proven ability to multitask and prioritize in fast-paced environment. Experience with Microsoft Outlook. The benefits for this job, again, is health insurance, medical, dental, and vision. Company 401k contribution, paid time off plan, paid holidays, life insurance, short and long-term disabilities, insurance, and ski pass bonus, referral program, incentive and parking available, and more. So, the Steadman Clinic is just posted this job. If you're in the Colorado area and you were to apply for this job, it's a full-time job. It starts at $20 to $24 per hour, and it has paid time off and vision insurance. So it sounds like something that you would like to do. You can go ahead and apply to it. This is a job that they're hiring for. The compliance recruiter. This position is a compliance recruiter. Is from this company called LSO, and they're starting off with the pay for $16 an hour up to $18 per hour full time. And the qualifications for this job, you have to be a U.S. work authorization required and logistics for 1 year preferred. And the benefits for this job is a 401k plan, dental insurance, disability insurance, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, vision insurance. The full job description is Lone Star Overnight. That's what LSO stands for this company's name. LSO, Lone Star Overnight, is now hiring a full-time compliance recruiter. LSO is a $1 million plus partial network delivery company, experiencing significant growth with both e-commerce and B2B customers. We are seeking customer service oriented candidates who will work well under pressure and can handle and complete tasks in a safe and orderly fashion. This person who work closely with the director of compliance to maintain our compliance program. Positions can be located in Plano, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Austin, Texas, North Houston, or South Houston. So if you're from the Texas area, this job is perfect for you, but the positions are being located at these specific areas: Plano, Texas, Dallas, Texas, once again, Fort Worth, Texas, and Austin, Texas, and North Houston, Texas, and South Houston, Texas. Responsibilities and duties for this job: verify an independent contractor applications are complete and notify appropriate station of any missing or improper information. Report expired compliance and related information to P&D coordinators and service center managers daily. Verify and update return information. Regularly audit part-time, full-time status of independent contractor and request terms on a weekly basis. Respond to correspondence for owner operations as requested. Process owner operator related documentations. Oversee the management of compliance files such as agreements, insurance information, and driver's license documentation. Responsible for overseeing the deductions spreadsheet, which includes adding approved independent contractor names, requiring deductions received from the HR and accounting, updating the master contractor occupational accident and automobile insurance tab, and updating the terms tab. Responsible for updating the new hire approval spreadsheet and solicit needed information when required. Download and send a new occupational accident insurance OA enrollment forms and spreadsheet with OA additions, deletions, and part-time, full-time status changes to insurance broker and CPRO associates accounting firm monthly. Solicit missing enrollment forms from managers. Liaise with service center managers and independent contractors regarding any deduction changes or charge discrepancies. Responsible for sending deductions spreadsheet to the accounting department weekly. Responsible for sending individual station deduction spreadsheets to service center management weekly. Approve monthly occupational accident insurance totals for CPRO Associates Incorporated accounting firm audit search OA, which stands for Occupational Accident Insurance. Enrollee list monthly or bi-weekly. Complete miscellaneous projects requested by the Director of Compliance. Other duties as assigned. What they offer for this job: the benefits is medical, dental, vision, short-term, long-term disability, and life insurance. They did state up here it was a long-term career opportunity and growth potential, and they also stated it was long-term as well. I don't know why I read it. It was somewhere up here. But it says short term down here. So I want to read that. Eligibility to participate. I'm just seeing that. I don't know. It just says short term disability right here. And eligibility to participate in the LSO 401k plan. Paid holidays and paid time off. Full on-board training and criminal background check and drug screening will be conducted. LSO is an equal opportunity employee and drug-free employer. Qualifications: high school diploma or equivalent is required. Minimum of 1 year experience is compliance, preferably within logistics industry. Must have knowledge of state and federal laws regarding independent contractors. Preferred knowledge of open source software. Proficient with Microsoft Office Suite and related software. Excellent organizational skills and attention to detail. Excellent written and verbal communication skills. Ability to type 50 words a minute. Ability to maintain confidential information. And once again, the start pay for this job is $16 through $18 per hour. And they have these benefits: dental, health, and vision insurance, and they have paid time off, and it has a 401k. And the schedule is Monday to Friday, weekend availability. It says it's remote, and it says it's hiring for 5 candidates for this role. Urgent hiring is posted today. So that's it for these 2 jobs, guys. On this video, if you like this job, the compliance recruiter LSO, and the other job that I placed on this video, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so you can know when your girl has a job lined up for you. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye.